In this video, I will show you a detailed review of Writecream, an AI-powered writing tool, and whether it is the best free AI writer available. For your convenience, the link of Writecream is in the description below so you can try it out. Let's start by creating a Writecream account. Go to the link in the description and sign up for a free account. Once you've signed up, you can start using Writecream immediately. Now, let's dive into the review of Writecream. Writecream is an AI-powered writing tool that helps you generate high-quality content quickly and easily. It offers a range of features, including Writecream uses advanced AI algorithms to help you write better content faster. It can suggest ideas, provide grammar and spelling corrections, and even help you rephrase sentences for clarity. Writecream offers a variety of content templates to help you get started with your writing. Whether you're writing a blog post, an email, or a social media post, Writecream has a template for you. Writecream can also suggest relevant keywords to help you optimize your content for search engines. This can help you attract more traffic to your website and improve your search engine rankings. Writecream includes a built-in plagiarism checker to ensure that your content is original and unique. This can help you avoid any potential copyright issues and maintain the integrity of your work. Writecream can be used for a variety of purposes, including writing blog posts and articles, creating social media content, drafting emails and newsletters, generating product descriptions and reviews. Writecream pricing starts from $0 to $69 per month. In conclusion, Writecream is a powerful AI writing tool that offers a range of features to help you write better content faster. Whether you're a blogger, a content creator, or a business owner, Writecream can help you take your writing to the next level. Click the link in the description to try Writecream for free.